Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. Have you ever wondered what would be the effect of masturbation on trading? If your answer is yes, give this video a like because you're gonna find this video extremely beneficial. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's meet after the intro. So guys, regular masturbation releases a hormone called oxytocin. That is the hormone triggers happiness and satisfaction. So you now might be asking, how is that a bad thing? So it isn't a bad thing at all until you start doing it regularly. So before we get into the masturbation part, I want you to think about something. Think about why did you get into the trading in the first place? Because you wanted to create wealth, you wanted to earn money, and you wanted to fulfill your dreams to get the satisfaction that you need out of your life. So if you masturbate regularly, you are giving yourself the satisfaction about life. You're satisfying yourself, you are being happy while doing that. Okay, so when you have your happiness and satisfaction at your fingertips, then why would you want to work? So if you continue to masturbate regularly, then it will affect your results. It will make you think that you are satisfied with your life without even you knowing that. Okay, so when it get to that place, that becomes a problem, because in order to be successful in trading, we need to be hardworking, and we need to always learn new things. We need to test new things in the market. So that is the only way that you are going to be profitable in the market. So if you start to think that you are satisfied with your life, then you will not develop anything inside you. So that is how masturbation will affect you. Okay, so how to know if you are masturbating more than you should? So let's discuss about that now. First, if you are someone that stops what you're doing just to masturbate, when you're doing something you stop that just to masturbate, then that is a sign that you are masturbating more than you should. This becomes a problem to trading because, as I said earlier, in order to be successful in trading, you need to have that motivation. You need to work hard, you need to work smart, and you need to always be learning and testing to be successful in trading. So if you just stop what you're doing and go and masturbate, then you are wasting your time. You are wasting the time that you have to get better at trading. So that is going to affect your trading in a bad way. Okay. Oh, the second reason, perhaps it feels like something that you must do, like an addict to a drug. You feel that urge, irresistible urge inside you, like something that you have to do. You have to masturbate, otherwise you can't do anything else. If you feel that kind of an urge, then that is a sign that you are masturbating more than you should. This can be a problem to trading, because when you're trading, you have to be focused on the chart. You have to understand the movement of price by analyzing the chart, analyzing the data on your computer screen. So when you are looking at your computer screen and all you can think about is masturbating, then you are going to probably place a losing trade. Or the worst case scenario, you're going to blow up your account by taking drastic risks in the market. Okay, so that is also going to be a problem when it comes to trading. Okay, or maybe you're using masturbation as an escape from the reality. So that means when you are facing some sort of problem in your life, if you are someone that don't look for a solution, instead go and masturbate just to feel better in that situation, then you are masturbating more than you should, because masturbation releases oxytocin to your brain, and it gives you satisfaction and happiness, which can cover up your problems and give you relief from the reality, from the problems that you face in practical life. But think about that. Does masturbation really solve problems in your life? Does it really solves everything it promises to solve? No, it doesn't. It just make you feel better for a little period of time. It does not deal with your worries. You are the one that have to deal with your worries. You can't masturbate your way out of your life. Okay, you have to find a solution for a problem. So don't use masturbation as an escape from reality. That can affect your trading and your life in a bad way. So, is masturbation is completely bad? No, it is not completely bad. Let's talk about the good effects of masturbation on trading. So, masturbation it can be used as a relief from sexual urges. Everyone in this world feels sexual urges at some point. If you are having a sexual urge, that is a problem to your work, because you have a constant feeling inside you about some sexual fantasy. So that can be a problem to trading, because as I mentioned earlier, you have to be focused on the chart in order to identify a profitable trade. So masturbation relieves you from that urge. Second one is relief from stress. The biggest enemy of your trading is the pressure that you put on yourself. When you have that pressure on your head, you can't focus on the chart and analyze it logically. Instead, what you are going to do is place trades based on emotions. The trades placed based on emotions are more likely to be losing trades. Masturbation can be used as a relief from stress, so it is a good sign of it. So let's wrap up what we discussed in this video. So first of all, do not use masturbation as an escape from reality. Okay, so if you are addicted to masturbation, find a way out of that. Find a way to break through, because there is always something you can do in order to get out of that situation, get out of a bad situation. As Winston Churchill once said, if you are going through hell, keep going. Okay, that is what we are discussed in this video. That is the effect of masturbation on trading. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. Share the video for me and let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this video, and let's meet in the next video.